Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are talking about relationships, ताल्लुकात हम लोगों के जो आपस में हैं. This is our topic of for today, and basics को हम देख रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहले देख रहे हैं कि क्यों important हैं relationships, why are they important? फिर हम देख रहे हैं कि how do we define a problem? Problem होता क्या है, मसला क्या होता है, किस चीज़ को मसला बोलते हैं. फिर हम देख रहे हैं कि जो भी ताल्लुकात में मुश्किलात आ रही हैं उनका कैसे हम सामना करते हैं. डिफरेंट लोगों के डिफरेंट तरीके हैं जिसका से वो सामना करते हैं. तो वो हम देखेंगे कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादातर हम कैसे इख्तलाफ का सामना कर रहे हैं. फिर देख रहे हैं कि लेवल्स ऑफ इख्तलाफ क्या होते हैं, उनकी पहचान देख रहे हैं. और आखिर में हम देख रहे हैं कि हम अपने ताल्लुकात, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को किस तरीके से नंबर दे सकते हैं, कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कितना वीक है, कैसे हमें चाहिए. ओके, सो इससे ये हमारे टॉपिक्स हैं. एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय देखें कि रिलेशनशिप होती क्या है. सो रिलेशनशिप का सिंपल क्या मतलब है. आपका किसी के साथ कनेक्शन हो, किसी के साथ ताल्लुक हो, वी कॉल दैट अ रिलेशनशिप. ठीक है. और अगर उसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है यानी इख्तलाफ है, तो फिर उसको हम कहेंगे कि उस चीज़ को हम उसी कनेक्शन में अगर इख्तलाफ है तो हम उसे कह रहे हैं कि ये इख्तलाफ पैदा हो गया इस कनेक्शन में. Does that make sense? दोनों चीज़ें हो गई. एक तो कनेक्शन, और कनेक्शन में आपका कोई इख्तलाफ है तो आपके ताल्लुकात में फ़र्क आ गया है, कमी आ गई है, तो उसको हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बोल रहे हैं. सो कहाँ कहाँ पे रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले तो आपका अपने साथ रिलेशनशिप है, फिर आपका फैमिली के साथ है, और फिर बाहर आपके रिलेशनशिप्स हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग वी आर लुकिंग एट इज के रिलेशनशिप विथ यू. नाउ दिस वन इज द मोस्ट की. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि ये चीज़ आपके लिए इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि इससे ज़्यादा कोई और चीज़ लाइफ में इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है. ये कि हम इस उम्र पे आ गए हैं, हम अपने खुद को नहीं जाने हैं, तो इट ऑलवेज affects everything in life if you don't know yourself, if you don't have a good relationship with yourself. So जो कोर्स है नो योरसेल्फ, जो हमने चलाया हुआ है अपने वेबसाइट पे, एंड यू आर welcome to join it if you're on the scholarship program. You find out about yourself and all the parts. जो भी parts आपके हैं, you look at them and you understand them. Because most of the time आपको पता नहीं होता कि आप कौन बिहेव कर रहा है. आपका माइंड रिएक्ट कर रहा है, आपके इमोशन रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, आप रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, आपकी बॉडी रिएक्ट कर रही है. क्योंकि सबको आप मैं बोल रहे हैं, आई बोल रहे हैं, आई डिड इट. बट हु इज द आई? इज इट यू, द ट्रू यू? Or is it a false you? Is your body or emotion running you, or are you the true you running you? So it's very important that you do this course. The course is Know Yourself, Part 1 and Part 2. So if you do that course, इस course से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा. So why should you do this, know about yourself? Because by knowing yourself, आप अपने अंदर जो इख्तलाफात हैं उनको आप कम कर सकते हैं, और जितना वो कम होंगे उतना ही आप लाइफ में कामयाब होंगे. अगर आपके अंदर कंफ्यूजन है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, it's just growing all the time, it's breeding. ये नहीं है कि वो एक ही स्टेट में है, it keeps growing and growing. So you yourself will be very unhappy, and your relationships will also not be very good. So by knowing yourself, you can handle the inner conflict. जो अंदर के आपके इख्तलाफ हैं उनको आप कम करेंगे, and you will increase your communication skills. दूसरों के साथ बातचीत आपकी बेहतर होगी if you are inner and your inner self is at peace. Also जो मुश्किलात आपको लाइफ में आएंगे, आप उनको बड़ी आसानी से उनके you can solve them, you can bounce back from them. And that is kind of very key in life, when we hit some difficulties, then we bounce back from them very fast. So जितना आप उससे जल्दी निकलेंगे उतना ही आप लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होंगे. So does everyone agree with me that it's very important to have a good relationship with yourself? Yes? Everyone agrees with me there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good, thank you. All right, so now we move on to the next area, which is our family. Now, ये सबसे पहली जगह है जहाँ पे आप एक और बंदे के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. पहले तो आप एक इंडिविजुअल थे, हम आपको देख रहे थे. Now you have another person and you are interacting with that person. उसके साथ आपका कनेक्शन पैदा हो गया, रिलेशनशिप पैदा हो गया, whether it's your child, your grandmother, your mother, your in-laws, it is all a relationship. And this is the first relationship that happens. This, the actual, smallest unit of society is the family. And यहाँ पे जितना strong और अच्छा relationship होगा, उतना ही जो लोग इस फैमिली से निकलेंगे उनकी लाइफ ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी, उनके relationships अच्छे होंगे, and they will be much more successful in life if the family unit ने उनको अच्छे relationship दिए. Does that make sense? Right? So what do we mean
Yes,
by
ma'am.
good
Yes.
relationship? What do we mean by good relationship? You should be able to be in the other person's shoes. You should be able to do that. किसी और की जगह पे आप खड़े होके उसी मसले को देख सकें. ये नहीं कि आपको बस उन पे अफसोस हो रहा है या आप कह रहे हैं रहमदिली दिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन आप द बिग थिंग इज कि आप उनके व्यू पॉइंट से, उनके नजरिए पे आप देख सकते हैं, अपना भी देख सकते हैं और उनका भी देख सकते हैं. तो हम कहेंगे आप में एम्पैथी है, और ये क्वालिटी अगर आप में है तो आपके जो इख्तलाफ हैं वो जल्दी से सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. आपकी कम्युनिकेशन भी अच्छी होती है और जो भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग है वो भी बेहतर होती जाती है. और आपके ताल्लुकात क्योंकि स्ट्रांग होते हैं, यू कैन कम टू ईच अदर एंड टॉक टू ईच अदर अबाउट इश्यूज दैट यू हैव. So now, are we handling that, Shazia? किसी का mic on है?
Yeah, sorted.
Okay. All right. So now we come to another relationship, which is team relationships, जो बाहर भी होते हैं लेकिन family unit भी एक team ही है. So उसको भी हम team ही के तौर पे देखें, और बाहर भी work relationships हैं, you have different groups. Today we are sitting here, we are also here a team together. So यहाँ पे अगर हमारी relationship अच्छी होगी तो problem solving होगी. कोई issues होंगे हम solve करेंगे, कोई conflict होएगा उसको sort out कर लेंगे, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल के हम सही solutions पे आएंगे, और बेहतरी आपकी भी होगी और जो भी conflict है उसको उस तरह से ले जाएंगे कि सबको फायदा हो. Right? So that is the idea between कि क्यों हम relationship को पे emphasis दें, क्यों focus करें. और अगर हम नहीं करते हैं तो क्या होता है? क्योंकि जिंदगी में सबके पास अल्लाह ताला ने एक मकसद के साथ हमें यहाँ भेजा है. हर एक इंडिविजुअल है, हर एक को खास अपना मकसद है जिसके लिए वो यहाँ इस दुनिया में अल्लाह ताला ने भेजा है. उनके अपने इम्तिहान हैं, हर एक के अपने अपने हैं, और उसका हिसाब हमें देना है. सो गोल्स हमारे अगर देखे जाएं तो हमारे अपने लिए भी हैं, हमारी फैमिली के लिए भी हैं, हमारी जॉब्स के लिए भी हैं, हम अपने कम्युनिटी के लिए भी गोल्स बनाते हैं, वर्क प्लेस के लिए भी बनाते हैं, जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं उसमें भी बनाते हैं, कंट्रीज के भी गोल्स हैं. तो हर जगह पे रिलेशनशिप की बहुत अहमियत है. जितनी रिलेशनशिप सही होगी उतनी ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग होगी, उतना ही हम इंसानियत दिखाएंगे, जस्टिस दिखाएंगे, एक दूसरे का ख्याल करेंगे. एंड हो क्या रहा है कि ताल्लुकात सही नहीं हैं तो वही एनर्जी और वही रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो एक दूसरे को फाइट करने में निकल जाते हैं, और गोल जो है वो भूल जाते हैं सब. आजकल भी आप दुनिया की हालत देखें, इसमें यही हो रहा है, अपनी अपनी लगी होती है. एंड द होल क्लाइमेट चेंज का इशू है या वॉर्स को देखें. सो वी आर नॉट रियली being very successful in that area. So at this point, I'm going to give a short, I extended actually the poll a little bit, and I hope you can attempt that. Agar aapko samajh aaye to I'll also get an idea whether you got it or not. Okay, let's see. Please let me know if you can see it, because I can't see if you have seen. Can you see it? Can you see?
Yeah. Yes, it's visible.
Okay, please do the poll. Let me see how much you have understood what I said. If you want the purpose of relationships, multiple choices, so you'll have to answer, both questions are multiple choice. Are we done?
9 of 28, still not.
Oh, come on, 28 people need to answer.
Yes.
Somebody didn't understand, then put your hand up. That's what happens in a class, isn't it?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have to say,
we
I
have
didn't
15,
understand, and now you have to ask a question.
nearly there. 16.
Good, excellent. Doesn't matter if you get it wrong.
Sister
Doesn't
Farida, I
matter.
think I do find sometimes like the options we've been given related to the questions, they're a bit confusing. Like for example, it is a simple thing. Like when we're talking about a relationship, like the first thing is the first and almost relation is with our own personality, our own self. It's a simple thing. Then the family comes and it makes us better. But sometimes when we are just looking at the options, it's a bit confusing. I don't know whether I'm making sense or not, but to me it is like, I don't know. It's a bit. It's like a jigsaw puzzle sometimes. Like
Okay,
I'm not
don't
sure.
worry about it. Just go straight for it, whatever seems right. It doesn't matter because this is just
Yeah,
a Zoom one. When you are doing the course, you'll have time to reflect and look at it, right?
yeah.
Don't worry
I
about
don't know. I don't know, but I just felt
it.
so I thought I'd let you know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so
22. We have
Oh.
22 responses, yeah.
7 people are sleeping
Hmm.
in my class, or they have left the class.
Just 7 people, yeah. Okay, 6 people. 6 people left. Maybe it's me and
There's
you.
31 people at the moment in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm giving you the results. Can you see? You answered correctly to self-awareness. I gain confidence, right? I'm better able to face life, right? I can communicate it better, right? My other relationships get better, true. So you got it.
All right. Is it for me?
It's for everybody. You know,
Okay, because I can't see the results. So yeah.
Oh, I'm sharing the results.
Here
Sorry.
the
Thank
result.
you for telling me.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we can now. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you got it. So you're doing good as a class, right?
Thank you. We're trying.
Okay, good. Let's move on. So now the next thing we're looking at is the definition of a problem. What is a masla? How do we define a problem? So problem is something that आप चाह रहे हैं कि ऐसा होना चाहिए और ऐसा नहीं है. दोनों में जो फर्क है उसको वो तब प्रॉब्लम है जो आप चाह रहे हैं और जो एक्चुअली है. दोनों चीजों में जब फर्क है तो you have a problem. So now you take a simple example of this shirt. If the shirt has got a stain on it and आपको stain नहीं चाहिए वहां पे, तो there's a difference between what is there and what you actually want. So we say there is a problem. So in this case, when it's very important to define the problem, ये आपको हर जगह पे use कर सकते हैं आप इस definition को. You can use it on a thing, you can use it on a relationship, you can use it on something, a course you are doing. how you want it to be, how good you want it to be for you, and where you're at. You can use about, about your mobile phone. Okay, I'd like to be that confident on it. And then you're not that confident. And just let me, Sundas, just let me finish this section and I'll get back to you on your question. So we are saying when you want to define a problem, it's not enough to say, okay, it's not what it is, what I want it to be. Say my writing table that I'm sitting on the desk, I want it to be very tidy. I want it to be everything in order, and it is not. So do I have a problem? What do you think? Do I have a problem?
Yep.
Yes.
I do. I have a problem because there's a difference in what it's there and what I want it to be. So now, in order to analyze the current state, I should ask the question, what, where, how, who, and when. So in this case of the coffee stain, we are saying, well, where is the stain? Where is it located? How did it get there? Who did it, or, in what form they did it? When did it happen? And how recent is the stain? So a similar thing you can ask about my desk and say, well, why, how did it get so dirty? How many days is it not tidied up? And, who's done it? Is it, is my husband done it? He hasn't done it, but, yeah, who did it? Did I do it? Or did somebody else do it? And how frequently do I tidy it up anyway? So you look at the perceived state and you can ask the same questions on your desired state. The more you know about, आपको पता हो अभी हालत क्या है, ये क्वेश्चंस उस पे पूछें, और जो आप चाह रहे हैं उस पे भी क्वेश्चन पूछें. जितना आप उस पे एनालिसिस करेंगे, गौर करेंगे, उतना ही you can get to that goal. Okay, does that make sense? So we are going to look at relationships because that's our topic for today. So you have relationships in your life, right? कोई भी यहाँ पे बंदा नहीं होगा. There won't be one person who doesn't have a relationship. Firstly, you have a relationship with yourself, but then you also have it with your parent, brothers and sisters, boss and employees, teacher and student, lawyer and client. All these relationships exist in life. And, nobody can be without relationships. So now you have to see, is there a problem in a relationship? So, it's like if I say that I've got a problem with my neighbor, I want them to get on with me, but every time I see them, they start getting, we start getting into an argument. So there is a problem, right? I want it to be a happy thing. They should help me. I should help them, but they start getting accusing me of things, and I get a little bit introverted. So there is a problem. So in order to understand the problem and the current state of things, I have to ask the question, what, where, how, who, and when, to understand when did it start? What started it? Where did it happen? Who was involved? How did it start? So the more I know about the perceived state, the current state, and then how would I like it to be? And if I define that, so then I know where I'm going. Because if I don't define the desired state and just define कि अभी ये सही नहीं है, इस तरह सही नहीं है, उस तरह सही नहीं है, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए क्या? What do I want in this relationship? You must define that. And then you can, look towards how you get there. So we'll go to the next quiz, and then we'll take question and answer sessions on this one. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Coming.
Please keep your mics off. Are we done, Shazia? Are you monitoring?
Still as halfway there. 17 people responded yet.
Is it
Um,
harder?
I think no more responses. Yeah, another response. 18. Just 10 people left. Yeah. $19. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other?
Any
Yeah.
other difficulties on answering the question?
20.
Why is the quiz not showing to somebody? Ikra, why can't you see it?
When I'm clicking on progress quiz, it's showing that quiz in progress.
Maybe your line is not so strong.
Yeah. We have got 21 responses.
Okay. So everybody's happy with that? I have a problem when I don't know the perceived state of something, but I know the desired state of it. So if you don't know the perceived state and you don't know the desired state, you know the perceived state, but you don't know, don't have the problem then, do you? You need to have both, right? I know the perceived state, but do not know the desired state. Again, you can't define the problem. दोनों चीजें आपको मालूम होनी है, right? And when they are both together, the same thing, so then there isn't a problem because you have what you want, right? Does that make sense? So the correct answer is this one, is the perceived and desired state are not matched, तभी problem होगा, उसके अलावा problem नहीं बन सकता, क्योंकि आपको या तो perceived state नहीं पता थी या आपको desired state नहीं पता थी, right? या दोनों वही थे, तो फिर problem हो ही नहीं सकता जब जो आप चाह रहे हैं वही हो गया है, right? और दूसरा question, which one is the problem? I'm not wanting any relationship with my teacher. So as a student, you should want a relationship with a teacher, right? And I'm satisfied with the relationship I have with my teacher, then there's no problem. And I find my teacher does not like me and this bothers me. So yes, that would be also a problem. Does that make sense? We'll take the questions now. I think if somebody had a question.
Yeah, I want to ask कि अगर हम जो जानते हैं कि सिचुएशन परसीव्ड स्टेट क्या है और डिजायर्ड स्टेट क्या है, लेकिन क्या जरूरी है कि हर कंडीशन चेंज की जा सके या कुछ चीजों को ऐसे एक्सेप्ट कर लिया जाए?
Yeah, you can if you wish. It's up to you. That's why it says your difference. You know, if you want the condition to stay the same, so then your perceived and desired state is the same. And the question from Sandas is that, what if the other person doesn't see it as a problem and you do, right? Then you have a problem and they don't have a problem.
So what we have to do in this condition?
So that we are looking at firstly identifying the problem. You know, what in a relationship, we are looking at you and your relationships. We are going to study conflict, you know, what are the causes of conflict and how can we make things better. We are going to do that. But at this stage, I just want you to get the definitions. It's very good you're asking this question. That means you've understood it. Right? Any other questions on this area?
Yes, I have a
Yes,
question.
Tanya has a question, yeah.
Ji,
It's
boliye.
okay, you go first.
Yes, Tanya, yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. My
Walaikum
question is regarding empathy.
Ji, bole.
My question is, if, for example, if there is a person and from him or her, empathy has been taken out, like because of so many events that happen in his or her life, she is, a sort of empathy-less person.
Right.
So
Okay.
how come, or what are the steps? What are the basic steps through which this can be inbuilt in him or her?
Okay. So obviously, you know, it's a huge, it's a big question that you've asked. And you're saying that a person lacks empathy. And how did that come about? That's the first question to see. You find that how it came about, how is he being treated? So one would need to analyze all that to come up with the solution on that area. So as we go along, we are going to look at the emotional state of people and how they are, and whether they can be helped and whether they want to be helped. That would be a key factor, whether they want to be helped. But it is resolvable and it can be created. So as we move along, we'll just take that up. But the first thing I would suggest is to, you know, if you want to help them, you do the know yourself course. हाँ, तो मेरी बात समझ में आई? Did I make it clear? I switched to English. I'm sorry, I forget sometimes. हाँ, okay. All right, so we're clear on what is the problem? Any other questions on this area before we move on to ways of तरीके क्या हैं conflict का सामना करने का?
Sorry, Faiza. Just wanted to clear my conflict. So, as you said, that if we know the desired state, but we don't know the perceived state, there's a problem.
Mm-hmm.
And
That's
if
correct.
we know the perceived state, but we do not know the desired state, there's a problem.
No, there's no problem in these two cases. क्योंकि आपको दोनों, you have to know both of them to say there's a problem.
So if we know one of the state, and for example, like you give the example, like my desk is dirty. Yeah.
Mhm.
If
Yeah.
we don't know like why it's dirty, so it's a problem. And if we don't know how to make it clean, it's a problem or it's not.
No. You got a bit confused there.
Yeah,
State
I
का
am.
क्या मतलब है? State का मतलब है किसी चीज की condition.
Yeah.
So when we say perceived state, हम कह रहे हैं इस table की condition क्या है? It's
Yeah.
untidy, it's got food marks on it, stain marks on it, the papers are all irrelevant things are lying on it. ये उसकी perceived state है, अभी state है. उसकी desired state क्या है? What do I desire? That there are no stains on the table. All the books are properly put together. Papers are put together. Pens are in the proper place. There's a tissue box there. The telephone is in the proper place. The light works. That would be the desired state. तो who, what, where, when तो बाद में आप पूछें. पहले ये तो कहें ना कि ये इसकी ये condition मुझे पसंद नहीं है. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि it should be that condition. That would be perceived state and desired state. If you say, I don't like this table, it's a total mess, but you don't say कि उसको कैसा होना चाहिए, तो आपका problem define ही नहीं होता. Does it make sense? Does it make sense?
Not sure. Yeah, I
Okay,
think.
let's take
I
another
think-
example.
Yeah.
Let's take another example. If I have a relationship with, say, with my brother, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And I say, I want a very perfect relationship with him, that I can share everything with him and we have a good time together. but I don't know what my current relationship is with him.
Yeah.
तो मैं कैसे प्रॉब्लम को डिफाइन करूं? मुझे दोनों चीजों का पता होना है ना. I have to
बिल्कुल.
know my current relationship. Is he upset with me? Does he feel he can talk to me? Does he feel, I'm trustworthy? So I have to know the current situation in order to take it to that stage where we are both in harmony.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
इसी तरह
exactly.
टेबल का भी है कि गंध है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन मैं चाहती क्या हूं कि वो हो कैसे? वो डिजायर्ड है और ये अभी है. तो मैं इसको यहां से वहां ले जाने के लिए मुझे दोनों चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. वो मेरा गोल बन जाता है और ये मेरा अभी की हालत बनती है.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Any other questions on this area? No, we move on. Okay.
Yes, sometimes it happens that something is a problem for you, but
Yes.
that thing doesn't bother any other person.
Yes, that's true. And we are going to look at that. So it's a problem for you and it's not a problem for them.
that person at all.
Right. Okay, that's fine. We are going to look at that area as we move through it. You know, that you want them to have that problem and they are not having it. They are quite happy. It's like our kids' room.
That is a problem for you, and you see it as a problem, but for another person, that is not a problem
Ah.
at all.
That's right. Look at the kids. You know, when my
Yeah,
son was
look at
growing
the
up, his room was a total mess. It was a huge problem for me, but it was not a problem for him.
And sometimes it happens with other family members as well, with your husband, and
Yes.
मतलब कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती,
Bilkul.
but that is
I
okay
agree
for
with
them.
you. I agree with you. And we are going to talk about that. We are just building up your knowledge so that we can tackle these areas. It's very good you're asking the question. लेकिन ये इनके तरीके हैं कि कैसे आप फिर भी understanding लाए, even though they don't see your problem. How do you bring about understanding in such situations? We are going to go over this, but it's going to take, it's going to be in the third or fourth area that we lecture that we take this up. क्योंकि आपकी foundation build हो जाएगी and inshallah we'll then be able to give you the tools to resolve it. सही है? Is that okay?
Oh, we have another question.
Right.
So Joeria, you can ask your question, please.
I think it was Sister Javeria asking before.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Oh,
मेरा क्वेश्चन भी ये जो सिस्टर ने अभी पूछा उससे रिलेटेड ही था कि मतलब मोस्टली रिलेशनशिप्स जो होते हैं वो सेक्रीफाइस चाहते हैं, मांगते हैं बस के, और जो एक सेकंड पर्सन होता है वो सेक्रीफाइस के लिए बिल्कुल भी रेडी नहीं होता, तो
right.
मतलब फिर लाइफ बहुत हार्ड हो जाती है, एवरी टाइम आप ही सेक्रीफाइस देते जाते हो, मतलब के सेकंड पर्सन जो होता है वो आप हो ना हो फिर वो मायने नहीं रख रहा होता।
Right. No, we'll look at this area and inshallah you'll find a way. There's always a way. It has a solution. So that's the whole idea of doing this course. So just bear with me and, we go step by step so that you are empowered and then you can apply the tools, inshallah. Ji.
Ji Abdullah, you can unmute yourself. Are we taking question? Yeah, Abdullah's question. Yeah.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
अच्छा मैम, मैंने आपसे एक जो पूछना है रिलेशनशिप से मुतालिक, आपने ये कहा कि रिलेशनशिप विद वन सेल्फ और रिलेशनशिप विद अदर्स एंड आई गेस तीसरी भी गालिबन आपने कोई कैटेगरी बताई है। मुझे ये भी पूछना है कि व्हाट अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप विद द क्रिएटर, वो चीज़ मिसिंग नहीं है?
वो तो that is covered in our know yourself. That is
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक।
Yeah, that is just it's just something that is so powerful. We've taken it up for yourself. So if you do that course, it will connect you with Allah Ta'ala. That is obviously the most important relationship.
ओके। और एक और चीज़ मुझे पूछनी थी कि कैन वी टेक मल्टीपल कोर्सेज, आई मीन ये जो आप ये वाला जो कोर्स अब आप रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं और इससे पहले मैंने चूंकि वो वाला कोर्स नहीं किया हुआ, नो योरसेल्फ वाला, तो आई कैन टेक मल्टीपल कोर्सेज एट द सेम टाइम?
You can, but my recommendation to you so that you could benefit the most would be that you start with Know Yourself, control course,
Okay.
then go on to part 2, then go on to You and Worship, and then come on to this.
Okay.
Maximum benefit इस course का इस तरह होगा. But you know,
उन
if
तीन लेवल्स को ओके अचीव
हाँ,
करने के बाद
हाँ, लेकिन इट्स ऑल्सो पॉसिबल कि आप इसको शुरू कर दें और फिर वापस आएं इस पे कंटिन्यू करें बाद में. इट्स फाइन, बट दैट इज द रिकमेंडेड सीक्वेंस ऑफ डूइंग इट. सही?
ओके, दैट्स फाइन.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we move on to talking about dealing with conflict. कि क्या किस तरीके से हम इख्तलाफात का सामना करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले वो तरीका जो हम ले सकते हैं या कोई बंदा ले सकता है कि उसको बिल्कुल ही अवॉइड करे कि हुआ ही नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. कोई भी इख्तलाफ पैदा हो वहाँ से वॉक अवे कर लें, चले जाएं, छोड़ दें उस जगह को जैसे हुआ ही नहीं कुछ. Right? So that is one way, and a lot of people do that, and they just don't get themselves involved in it. So the next one would be to smooth it over. Smooth it over में क्या होएगा? आप pretend करेंगे कि वहाँ पे कोई बड़ी बात नहीं हुई. आपको हालांकि चोट लगी है, आपको बुरा भी लगा है, but you pretend कि कोई बात नहीं. You know, somebody broke your thing that was very precious to you, but you say कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है, but you in your heart you are really suffering कि ये चीज कैसे कर दी, ख्याल क्यों नहीं किया, they should have been more careful, how come they did it. So that would be smooth it over. Win at all costs would be when you are determined कि आप ही की जीत हो और दूसरा हार जाए. You know, आप आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं और आप कह रहे हैं मैं जीत के छोड़ूंगा, बस मुझे जीतना है और दूसरे को नहीं जीतना है. किसी चीज पे हो रही है आर्ग्यूमेंट about where you should go for the holiday, or where should this money be spent, or when should we have where should we have this party or something like that, and you've got to have your way. It doesn't really matter what the other person thinks. You have to win and they have to lose. So win at all cost उसमें आएगा. And then you come to the compromise. Compromise में जब आप थोड़ा आप give in करते हैं, थोड़ा वो give in करते हैं, and you reach a middle ground, that would be compromising. And then the win-win negotiation में आप दोनों बैठे हैं जिसके साथ भी आपका conflict है, and you're actually trying to solve the problem creatively ताकि दोनों को फायदा हो. So I'm going to ask a question and see what do you think would happen long term and short term in terms of avoiding conflict. क्या होएगा? What do you think will happen? Can anybody try and answer that? जी किफ़ायत.
आई वुड से कि आप अपना अंदर ही वो फिर प्रेस करते रहोगे अपने आप को, और वो बिल्डअप होता रहेगा गुस्सा और एग्रेशन, एंड देन व्हेन इट कम्स आउट इट विल कम आउट वेरी बैडली.
That's correct. So it will build up inside you and it will keep on growing. और फिर आपका communication breakdown होएगा, right? और problem solving बंद हो जाएगी, उस बंदे के साथ लोग खराब होएंगे, right? Smooth over में भी क्या होगा? ऊपर उस वक्त तो हार्मनी आ जाएगी, उस वक्त तो लगेगा सब सही है. लॉन्ग टर्म क्या होगा? फ्रस्ट्रेशन बिल्ड होगी और आपको लगेगा कि मेरी बात ही नहीं कोई सुनता, कोई समझता ही नहीं मुझे. विनिंग एट ऑल कॉस्ट में क्या होगा? डैमेज होएगा रिलेशनशिप, नहीं? आपको लगेगा ये मेरे ऊपर क्यों इस तरह हावी हो गए, राइट? एंड पावर स्ट्रगल सा लगता है, हॉस्टाइल एनवायरनमेंट हो जाता है, और फ्यूचर में कोलैबोरेशन विल बिकम वेरी हार्ड. अगर और कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग में क्या होगा? मिडिल ग्राउंड है लेकिन कोई भी खुश नहीं है इसमें, कोई भी खुश नहीं है. दिस कैन बी टेम्पररी सोल्यूशन है, but best solution नहीं है for everyone. So this approach focuses जो win-win का है, उसमें क्या है? Is it a good long-term, short-term solution? What do you think?
I
Yeah.
think that's how it should work.
Yes, that is the best way. So,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
now we look at, कि अगर इस इन्हीं solutions को देखें तो इस तरफ concern for self है, जहाँ मेरा arrow है, concern for self, low है इस तरफ, high इस तरफ है, और concern for others low इस तरफ है, high इस तरफ है. So जब आप avoid करते हैं तो किसका सोच रहे हैं? किसका सोच रहे हैं? We are concerning, we have a low concern for self and low concern for others,
Yeah.
right? And when we are accommodating and we give up and say बस आप ही सही हैं, मुझे तो छोड़े, मैं तो कोई अहमियत ही नहीं रखती, तो you have no concern for self and high concern for them,
Yeah.
right? And when you want to win, I must win, उसको तो हराओ, मैं हूँ सब share. So you have a high concern for yourself but low concern for them.
Yeah.
And the middle ground में आप compromise कर रहे हैं ना, वो उनको पूरा मिला है जो वो चाहते हैं ना आपको, so you're there in the a little bit of concern for them, little bit of concern for yourself.
Mhm.
And collaborative में there's high concern for self and high concern for yourself and for them, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we got this. Ready for another quiz? Everybody said yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Videos क्यों बंद कर दिए आप लोगों में? I'm the only one with the video on. ये क्या बात हुई? Videos should be on, right? Sister Shazia, can you see it or not?
Not. No.
Okay, so here we go.
Still not visible.
Mhm. Not allowing me to launch. I don't know why. No, let me try one more time, otherwise maybe leave it.
Yeah.
It's not coming up, the launch thing.
Mm.
I have to leave it. It's not
Yeah.
working. All right. Let me just ask it verbally. Let's see if I can do that. So in which approach of conflict is there low concern for others and high concern for self? Avoiding conflict में है ये, लिख लें ये, low concern for others and high concern for self. Is it in avoiding conflict, smooth it over, win at any cost, compromise, या creative problem solving? कौन से में है?
It's in
Win at any cost. Win at any cost.
Yeah. Win at any cost. High concern for self, low concern for others. Next question. In which approach of conflict is there low concern for others and low concern for self? दोनों low हैं.
Avoid.
Correct.
Compromising.
नहीं, low concern है दोनों का. Low में तो
Avoid जब करेंगे.
हाँ, avoid कर. Right? In which approach of conflicts is there high concern for others and high concern for self?
Should be win-win.
Yes, win-win problem solving. Right? समझ आइए, इस पे कोई questions हैं, पूछें. Any questions?
Someone said avoiding conflict is also win-win, high concern for others and for self. I think it's not true.
एक बार फिर से बोलें.
मैंने कहा कि किसी ने मैसेज में लिखा है कि विन विन जो अवॉइड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट वाली सिचुएशन है वो, और विन विन जो है वो दोनों जो है उसके अंदर आती है, हाई कंसर्न फॉर अदर्स एंड फॉर सेल्फ. तो मेरे ख्याल में अवॉइड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट उसमें अंदर नहीं आएगा.
हाँ, अवॉइड में लो कंसर्न फॉर सेल्फ, लो कंसर्न फॉर अदर्स, राइट. हाई कंसर्न फॉर अदर्स एंड लो कंसर्न फॉर सेल्फ क्या है? स्मूथ इट ओवर, राइट. Accommodating. Yeah? Do we agree?
Yes, we do. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So आप देख सकते हैं कि कोई आपके साथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में है. Can you say वो क्या, इसका क्या कंसर्न है आपके लिए? Can you say that? Would you be able to say it now? Whether they were, which mode, which approach they were taking with you, and which approach you take when there's a conflict?
Yes, sure.
Okay, good. So we are now looking at what is the level of conflict and understanding, right? And we are seeing कि आपका घर है. How much level of understanding does there exist in your home? We all want to have a high level of understanding in our homes, right? So what does it look like? What does that look like? वो आपको वो who, what, when, here, how सब लिखना चाहिए. What does that look like? What is your desired state in the home, in the work, in the community, streets, nation, and world? Right? So it doesn't mean कि एक जगह पे खामोशी है. Does it mean कि खामोशी है and there's no fighting and argument, so it is a level, there's no conflict there? Does it mean that?
No.
No,
No, why not?
because either somebody's compromising or somebody's just smoothing it out.
Avoid conflict. They are
avoiding the
just
conflict.
Yeah, that's true. They could be being quiet. They could be keeping it all inside of themselves. They could, the environment could be so bad. घर में ऐसा माहौल हो सकता है कि कोई डर के मारे कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा. बोलेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, तो चुप ही रहो. Agree with them, right? So it could be like that. It could be like that with your boss. And it's like that between nations of the world. Just compromising and saying yes to powerful countries, right? We see that happening all the time. So levels of conflict को अगर study किया जाए, तो they are these 9 levels, and they start very simply at this tension है. आपका opinion और मेरा opinion फर्क हो गया है, तो थोड़ी सी tension build हो गई, right? It starts with that. And then it gets into a debate. कि आर्ग्यू करना शुरू हो जाए, नहीं ये तुमने ये किया, मैंने ये किया, ये ऐसे हुआ था, वैसे हुआ था. Words में we are fighting, right? So it moves on to that, and then what happens after we've gone past that stage of conflict? It gets into actions, not words. So इसमें what are we looking at then? We are blocking the other side. हमारा मेन चीज क्या है, प्रायोरिटी क्या है कि उनको बंद करें किसी तरह. We dominate the whole thing, and that's what we are focusing on. So number 1, 2, 3 blue में है. Why are they in blue? They are in blue because at this stage you can yourself do something and put it right. अभी इतना high level पे conflict बढ़ा नहीं है. You can step in and you can sort it out, right? So you can do that in 1, 2, and 3. अब number 4 पे आप चले गए, तो यहाँ पे focus क्या हो जाता है कि मैं जीतूं और वो हारे. Issue पे concentration नहीं है, right? Issue पे concentration नहीं है. You're more worried, the person's more worried about protecting one's reputation, and जो इर्द गिर्द के लोग हैं उनसे भी कोशिश होती है वो हमारी साइड पे आ जाए, क्योंकि गड़बड़ अब बढ़ गई है. और 5th स्टेज पे आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि बस मुझे इसकी असलियत पता चल गई है. You're looking at that thing. आपकी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की स्टेज ऐसे बढ़ गई है कि आप कह रहे हैं वो evil है, वो खराब है, वो गुनहगार है, मैं सही हूँ. and it's just escalating. The whole thing is escalating, or आप isolate हो रहे हैं. You don't like it, but you feel isolated from others around you. Stage 6 पे it goes beyond that and threats पे आ जाती है बात. You know, किसी चीज पे argument हो रही है and you are threatening, ये नहीं करोगे तो ये मैं ये करूँगी. And you're getting quite violent, and in order to control them, you're using force in order to make them do what you want. And 7 पे भी destruction पे आ गए, damage पे आ रहे हैं. ये बहुत advanced stages हैं, but they occur in every stage of our life. They occur in homes, they occur on the streets, in groups, in workplaces. Disintegration between companies हो जाता है, between countries हो जाता है. And the final stage is where you are actually, you don't even care about yourself, or you care about them. You're just out to destroy. It doesn't matter kitna nuksan ho jaye, but you're out there and doing it. So these are the 9 stages of conflict. In the first 3, you can intervene and put it right yourself. Number 4, 5, and 6 पे थोड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती है, and you need to actually have somebody there who can talk it out with you. You know, somebody, a friend maybe, can intervene and bring you two together, or bring the whole situation under control. 7, 8, 9 पे, on 7, you need some authoritative figure to work. You know, it's not even a friend. You need somebody जिसका कुछ power है दूसरे के ऊपर, जो उस situation को सही करे. And 8 and 9 पे, it's gone way too out. You may need professional help. And so the whole idea is don't let it go that far. Catch it early. जब थोड़ी सी tension शुरू होती है, if the relationship matters to you, to solve it. Not every tension has to be resolved, but if it matters to you with that person, then it's better to resolve it. So the other thing to point out here is that in a relationship, one person can be at one stage and the other person can be at another stage. So I mentioned last time that, you know, a few days ago, I was talking to this person, and he just jumped from within 10 minutes, he had moved from tension to giving me threats. And I was still sitting at tension. You know? So it is possible that you are sitting at a lower level of conflict and they have reached a higher level of conflict. So I can very easily sort it out with him, provided he's willing. But he has crossed out or onto a stage where he needs somebody else to intervene and get him to, look at the real situation and put the situation right. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Any questions on this area before we move on to the last topic?
Yeah, Tanya has a question.
Yeah, Sister Faiza, my question is that what if the conflict is within one's own self? Are these steps still the same?
Well, I think you will need help if you're out to, destroy yourself. And if the conflict is too much, and you see that in societal cases or other cases, people get
Yeah.
quite violent. It's
Yeah.
like, yes, intervention would be needed too in that case. It's good to catch the conflict early on, and that confusion and nervous breakdowns occur and things like that. So yeah, it applies to
Okay.
that as well.
Jazakallah.
Any other questions?
Tell any question? Yes, Sabahat. Ji Sabahat.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Well, uh,
ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बच्चों के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बारे में पूछना था कि उनके कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हम कैसे रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं।
I think
समझ
that's
आ गई चीज
हाँ,
वगैरह।
it's about
उनके कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है वो तो समझ ही नहीं आते ना। वो मतलब एक को कहो तो कहता है मुझे उसको आप ठीक कह रही हैं, और उसको डांटती हैं, उसको कुछ नहीं कहती, और दूसरे को कहो तो कहते हैं आप हमेशा उसका साथ देती हैं, उसे आप जो है वो करती हैं। तो कहाँ जाए बदमाश, कहाँ जाए, क्या करे सिचुएशन में? एक को कहती है तो कहती
इसके लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि बेसिकली बच्चे को ना अपनी पहचान ही नहीं है, उसको पता ही नहीं है कि ये झगड़ा हुआ क्यों है मेरे अपने भाई बहन के साथ। तो ये जो है नो योर सेल्फ का कोर्स है ना, ये एक सेशन में होल्ड करूंगी जिसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी आप अपने बच्चे को कैसे एडुकेट करें अपने बारे में। जितना वो अपने खुद को पहचानेगा उतना ही वो लाइफ को अंडरस्टैंड करेगा, अल्लाह ताला से कनेक्शन होगा, बॉन्ड होगा, वो अपने ट्रू सेल्फ को पहचानेगा, अपने फॉल्स सेल्फ को पहचानेगा। तो आप भी आपका रेफरी का काम खत्म हो जाएगा, आप उनको खाली बोलेंगी बताओ कौन सा सेल्फ था जो ये कर रहा था, so it's very necessary। मैं पेरेंट्स को, मदर्स को, यूथ को, if you want to get anywhere, do the know yourself course। और अगर एक लेक्चर से मैं आपको बता दूं ना तो मैं कर दूं वो लेक्चर भी, उससे नहीं आती बात। कितने सारे वीडियोस, कितने सारे we have talks, but the Muslim Ummah is in a bad shape, and you have to sit and study and reflect, and I'm there behind you. If you don't understand anything, if something is difficult for you, I'm here। मेरा काम ही ये है। So please, अपने बारे में अपने concentrate on yourself। You are so precious for your children, you deserve attention। सबसे पहले आप know yourself अपने पे लगाएं, and then we'll teach you how to do it with your children। तो इंशाल्लाह you will find your home getting happier and happier, इंशाल्लाह।
मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाह रही थी कि रिश्ता ना बाकी मतलब इस्लामी तालीमात वगैरह मैं उनको देती रहती हूँ कि झगड़ा नहीं करना, मेरी बात सुन लेते हैं कि मम्मा कुछ समझाएंगी, मम्मा अगर मैं तुमको बड़े इमोशनली कहूँ ना कि मतलब मम्मा की बात मान लो तो बड़ा वाला मेरी बात मान लेता है, वो पीछे होता है। अब दूसरा जो है वो अकड़ के बात करेगा तो मम्मा मैं आपकी बात मान लेता हूँ, लेकिन ये अकड़ के जवाब देता है, फिर से गुस्सा आता है। और मतलब ना उनके मतलब उस वक्त सब्र नहीं होता, उनको समझ में समझा चुकी हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं करो, समझ आते हैं, लेकिन एट द स्पॉट उस टाइम तो इनके दिमाग बंद हो चुके होते हैं कि बस वो कहते हैं हम कुछ कर गुजरे हैं। वो
हाँ,
सिचुएशन
you're right, absolutely right। लेकिन उसको उस वक्त पहचान ही नहीं है कि मैं कौन हूँ, वो है ही नहीं, वो आपका बच्चा नहीं है वो उस वक्त। he's being somebody else, and वो आपको इस know yourself से पता चल जाएगा। and if the child knows that, मेरे स्कूल में जो मैं चला रही थी कराची में, when I was doing that, लड़ाइयाँ करते थे ये बड़े बच्चे भी छोटे बच्चे भी। All I used to say to them कि ये किसका कंट्रोल था इस वक्त, आपके इमोशन का था, आपके किसने आपसे ये करवाया। और मुझे कुछ भी नहीं कहना पड़ता था, वो खुद ही बता देते थे कि ये क्यों हुआ है, और इन्हें खुद ही अल्लाह से माफी मांग लेते थे। And that is what we want, Inshallah, I think we are on the Allah Ta'ala guide kare hame, and we'll find the way through these things, and homes will become, very peaceful, inshallah, reaching goals of Allah Ta'ala. Ji, Jazakallah khair.
Abdullah का question है मेरा ख्याल है। Abdullah, you can ask your question, Abdullah।
अच्छा मैम, ये कैन यू प्लीज डिफाइन द टर्म नेगोशिएशन, और ये जो किस कन्फ्लिक्ट के किस स्टेज पे जाके नेगोशिएशन जो हैं वो शुरू हो जाती हैं दो पार्टीज के दरमियान में, इस चीज़ को थोड़ा आप एलेबोरेट करेंगे?
So you're really trying to negotiate all along and, presenting your viewpoint, but at later stages, you are not bothered about them. So initial stages में you're looking at it, or ye bhi third wala jo lecture hai na, the third, we are still on the first one. This is the first one. On the third one, you get how to talk to somebody so that you bring about an agreement. And you're talking about negotiation and doing it. And we are also saying compromise is not the ideal solution. So let's
यानी
take
negotiation में basically compromise होता है दोनों parties
No,
यानी
negotiation,
कि
you're talking and, you're discussing things, and you could still be wanting a creative solution for both of them, right? You're negotiating, but you're also trying to see, well, okay, what is his priority? What is my priority? आप problem को understand कर रहे हैं, desired state आप चाह रहे हैं, उसका क्या है, आपका क्या है?
ठीक है।
And then you solve it like that, so both parties are happy, right?
ओके, ठीक है।
All right.
और एक मैम इससे पिछले टॉपिक से भी एक सवाल था बेसिकली, एक कोलैबोरेशन को काइंडली दोबारा से आप जरा थोड़ा डिफाइन कर।
Which one are we talking about?
कोलैबोरेशन का गालबन डिस्कस हुआ था शायद।
हाँ, this means we talked about it in the beginning here at collaboration, that you actually get together and resolve issue, collaborate कर रहे हैं. It's the same kind of negotiate, problem solving.
अच्छा, ये दोनों
हाँ, ये
ठीक है,
सब
ठीक है, दोनों
चीजें
दोनों
collaboration
सेम
में ही होंगी, इकट्ठे.
हो
Co
जाए।
means together, together doing it. Yes.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
हाँ.
थैंक यू।
Okay, my pleasure. All right, so now we come to the last topic, which is what you're interested in, कि relationships आपके किस के साथ हैं, to make a list of people you have a relationship with. You make that list, and those, it could be your boss and husband and wife, in-laws के साथ, जो भी हैं, वो एक list आप बना लें. And you assess the relationship strength. तो यहाँ पे हम नहीं कह रहे desired state और perceived state की बात नहीं हो रही. आप खाली लिख रहे हैं कि क्या है relationship की strength. Can hardly talk or interact with this person. It would be 1 and 2. 3 or 4 would be basic courtesy है and can discuss just top level stuff. Right? तो ये किसका कोई example दे सकते हैं मुझे इस पे? So if somebody is like very angry and moody, right? Very angry and moody most of the time. So उसके साथ कौन सा relationship चलेगा? 1, 2 चलेगा, 3, 4 चलेगा, 5, 6 is when you have meaningful interaction और जो लेन देन हो सकती है वो करते हैं. And 7, 8 पे share thoughts करते हैं, you feel safe. And 9, 10 पे you're committed to each other and you actually are able to tell let go of yourself and you still feel safe with this person because they are not going to take advantage of you. They care about you. So 9, 10 is a very strong bond, strong relationship, and you feel very safe with that person and you're ready to let go. So मैं आपको कह रही थी कि अगर एक बंदा है जो हर वक्त गुस्से में रहता है और डांटता डपटता रहता है, तो मुझे किस किस्म का रिलेशनशिप चाहिए उसके साथ?
1 to 2.
चाहिए, 3, 4 चाहिए, 5, 6 चाहिए, 7, 8, 9, 10 बताएं.
चाहिए या होगा कौन सा उनके साथ रिलेशन?
चैट में लिखें क्या है, आप क्या समझते हैं क्या होना चाहिए?
Never talk.
Any other people? There are 29 people in the group. Okay. That's a nice one. Who wrote that? Bye bye. So we are talking about a person who's angry, shouting, all the time finding faults with me, getting angry. Will I be able to talk to them or interact with this person? Will I? What kind of relationship will I have with this person?
Barely talk.
That's
Hardly
right.
talk.
That's right. It is barely talk, So that's what it would be. You can't say, oh, I'm going to become really share my thoughts and feel safe with them. You can't. You won't feel safe, right? So then you have your CEO, you work in an organization, top level का boss है. उसके साथ कैसी level की relationship होगी? 1, 2, 3, 4? कौन सा है लगेगा? Top level का boss है, not your immediate boss. बताएं?
3 to 4.
चैट में बताओ.
For me, still 1 to 2.
क्यों भाई? थोड़ा सा तो बात करनी पड़ेगी ना, बिग बॉस है, बेसिक कर्सी एंड मैनर्स रखेंगे, आप बात करेंगे, इतनी तो इतना झुझके नहीं. ही इज सेफ टू टॉक टू. ही इज नॉट गोना शाउट एंड बाइट यू.
Yeah, then 3 to 4, okay.
3 to 4 is good. Okay, 3 to 4 is good. So then we come to, teacher and student. Which one would apply? Teacher and student.
Yeah, it can be like 5 to 6, because if teacher is also moody, is you said, is it?
Yes. If teacher is moody, then no, thank you. Okay. All right. So you have to, it's basically, you can have a meaningful transaction. You're not going to get very personal with the teacher, So
Yeah.
that's fine. Friend and family may up 7, 8 rakh sakte hain, and maybe with some special person, you will go to the level of 9 and 10, where you can completely trust them, right? And they can trust you and have a relationship. So this is what we've covered today. I hope it has been useful, and I haven't gone too much into the English. I hope if I've done that, I apologize again, and Sister Shazia will be sure to correct me if I've done it. So we covered why relationships are important, what is the problem, ways to resolve, approaches जो हम लेते हैं, conflict के levels क्या हैं, and then lastly we talked about assessing relationships जो आपको करने चाहिए. Now you know this assessing relationship, you can say कि इस बंदे के साथ मेरी desired state ये है, or my perceived state is this, I have a problem. You can do that now with what I've given you, right? And we will, जो आपका course है वो आपको इस तरफ ले जाता है and makes you think about that. So that's kind of ends my talk on this side, and I'm opening it up for questions if there are any, please.